Start.
Okay. Okay, so this is number 7 on the Chapter 2 review. The question says, consider the curve with equation f of x equals px squared plus qx, where p and q are constants. The point A at 1, 3 lies on the curve. The tangent to the curve at A has a gradient of 8. Find the value of p and of q. So for the first part, we use this equation f of x equals px squared plus qx that was given. We plugged in the x and y coordinates that were given to us, which is 1 and 1, 3. So here we have 3 equals p times 1 squared plus q times 1. And once that's simplified, we got p plus q equals 3. This is one of the equations that was used. And then we found another equation and formed a system of equations. So the second equation was using the derivative, because they told us that the tangent to the curve at A has a gradient of 8. So we know that that is the value of the derivative. So we set f prime of x equal to 2px plus q, because we took this original equation, moved this exponent down and made it a coefficient, and reduced this exponent to 1, and then for this part we just made it q. So f prime of x equals 2px plus q. And then we know f prime of x equals 8 because that is the gradient of the tangent to the curve at point A. So 8 equals 2px plus q. And once we simplified that, we got 2p plus q equals 8. And then we brought down the other equation that we found up here in this system, or in this equation, and we formed a system. And I subtracted the bottom equation right here using the process of elimination, and then I found that p equals 5. And then when you plug this back in here, 5 plus q equals 3, so q equals -2. And that is your answer.